Hey, how's it going? So I got, a couple weeks ago, kind of a new toy. Let me share it with you. It's the Milwaukee m18 table saw. Freaking awesome. When I bought this table saw, I wasn't even going to buy this table saw. I didn't really need a table saw. I had a DeWalt plug-in style, but I did need a new chop saw. 12-inch radial arm. So I went ahead and I decided I was going to try out the battery ones. I had seen good things online about them. And I went and bought the Milwaukee 12-inch chop there. Sliding chop saw. And that friggin' thing was awesome. But in any case, I bought this with it. Home Depot was a package deal, and I actually got this for like 50% off with buying the other saw with it. So that's how I ended up with it. And I'm pretty happy I did, because it's great. So whenever I run this saw, I always just run a 12 amp hour battery, because, you know, it's the biggest one they got and it works. It's always worked. It's strong. So we'll go ahead. Let's run, see if it'll rip some rock maple, and see how well it does. For you that don't know what rock maple is, it's hard maple, you know, or sugar maple, however you want to call it. I get about it. So it's probably 1 inch. It's some rough sawn that I milled maybe 2 years ago now. It's good and dry. So this saw shouldn't have a single problem with that. And you know, if it can rip rock maple, it's going to be able to rip whatever you can throw through it, really. I mean, it's a pretty hard wood. So I know that rock maple, it's a hardwood, and hardwood's hard to cut, right? For all saws. But also thickness can sometimes be a damper on your saw. Let's go ahead. I'm going to take a 2x4 and stand it on edge. We're going to bury that blade in there and see if it'll go all the way through. Let's put this up as high as it'll go. That's as high as it'll go. This is a rough sawn 2x4. Let's put it right there. Let's see. There you go. It ripped 3/4 of the way It ripped 3/4 of the way through that 2x4. It didn't stall at all. So I'd say it's pretty strong. So there you go. I mean, what else do you really need to say? It works. It's an accurate cut, and it just ripped through rock maple. That's pretty good. If you're looking for a battery powered table saw that's super portable and light, and you don't really have to worry about power restrictions, you might want to check this out. I heard DeWalt makes a good one too, but I like Milwaukee. I have the platform, so that's what I stick with. But if you're in the market for one, check it out, man. It works pretty good. You won't, I should say you won't be upset, but some people, no matter what, they're always upset. Most people won't be upset.